We hope that this is the worst of it.
I'm trying to die out here.
Yeah, they joined up with the adventure crew
only like
here.
More than halfway through the day.
We've been on the Oklahoma Epic Adventure Trail for 2 days. We started at the Red River. The K Trail has some windmills on it, and I guess they think they own the logging road now, so there's potentially some gates.
Things started out definitely weird. We left dark AM. That was the game plan, but we've had some issues with my front tire. The motorcycle's got a front flat tire. Tried airing it up with this machine. I don't think we can get airing it fast enough to figure out what's going on with it. The tire, if it's slightly unbeaded, basically we need something that's gonna push air fast. So we're trying to, Ian's took off on his bike. He's trying to find a shop with a big compressor so we can try to air it up. Well, we met a real salt of the earth. There's a man with a, was that a Chevelle drag car he had?
Tires that were like 22 inches wide or something.
Yeah, and he's like, we're trying to use this muffler shop's compressor, and they're farting around. He's like, I got one on my trailer. I think it just needed a big puff air. We had to put a strap on it. It's beat up. It seems to be good. We've also fixed your clutch lever. An hour and a half late now, but I think we're good. You want to go on an adventure?
We've avoided catastrophe. I want to go on an adventure.
This is an adventure. Ian, how's it going? It's all good.
It could be better, but things are moving in the right direction.
We are, because we're going to actually just put a tube in it now. They had a tube here. The guy's on it. We're getting it done. So
we tried to inflate it, or we got it inflated twice ourselves, but
it's too much at this point. We're just gonna get a tube in it, and then it's gonna be good. Yeah. We finally got it squared away though now, and we made it up with the boys who took the long way up.
God, I didn't want to be sitting for that. There's a good skid plate hit. That was a little rough right there. Apparently, like, this windmill company, high-centered slightly, they bought some of the land out here that I guess the trail's partly on. They think they own the trail now, but you can't own this trail. This trail is like a thing. It's a public thing. You have to allow access to it. So we were told that, yeah, like, there could be parts that are like blocked. Maybe that's a bit of what we're seeing right there. I don't know. Yeah, it'll catch you off because you're going downhill and you don't really realize it. Probably normal people do, but people from Texas is like equilibriums. Yeah, our equilibriums. We don't have descent detection. I guess this is what we were saying before. I guess they're putting these on the road, which aren't really legal, but I don't know how well regulated this is that someone would stop them. most other person we've seen out here. I don't think I've ever been this close to one of these giant things. Whoa. The TKC-80s are gnarly. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum.
What are we doing?
Why
did I think this was going to be easy?
Well, Ian's cruising.
I mean, no,
Do you sometimes think when Ian talks, he sounds like the wizards from Lord
No, I
of the
think
Rings?
he sounds exactly like you.
You have a way you project your voice. You got linked brakes? Because that'd be great. Look at that. Oh, watch out, Matt. All right, I guess let's get our FZs going. It's getting silly. I'm getting very fatigued. I think it's not like it's so super hard. It's just it's so long, so much of it. Like, and it's at that weird like range where you want to be standing up and on the rear brake, but like it's popping you around. And you need to throw your landing gear back out, which then the whole operation and takes you back to square one. So, anyway, back to square one.
Do you think we can just go through it? Because this mud hasn't been, as long as it's not too deep. Look, Ian, come here, look at this. This is the oil from my fork. It's coming out. It's actually split through there.
Well, I can't say that I'm a fan of that at all, Joe.
Well, do you have some Teflon? Do you want to take the fork apart? Because that's how I'm going to fix it later. At least we highly readjusted my bag so it wasn't smashing into my bag anymore. And I've borrowed an extra pair of rock straps that Matt had. Did you catch my graceful downshift there? Keep it up, keep it up. All right, here's something. Ah. Oh my gosh. Oh, we must be like in civilization again. To a degree. Look at that. You see a house like that out here, you see like RV or trailers or other things, you think that thing went through to get here. They're making decisions. There you go, you found a way. Not even bad, mate. I'll just creep through here. Look at this. No sweat. It's an FZ MT-07. It is not supposed to be out here. And not only is mine out here, so is Matt's. He put TKC-80s on there. He's got the cast rims. I'm scared for him a little bit in those regards. To the end of the day, me and Matt basically have the exact same suspension mods, except the only thing is he's got a Tracer 700 swing arm. He threw out some big bucks to get that because I think it's 2 or 3 inches longer than the MT one. This will give him a little more stability. I think technically, yeah, it would give him more travel. I mean, how many of us wouldn't love to have just 2 or 3 more inches?
Oh!
It's thick, it's dense. I mean, that's gonna get you going more than like a Snickers.
I stopped because I could slowly feel my leg going Charlie horse. So I'm just gonna get a quick chill here, drink a little water, eat. I'll eat some of this. I guess the boys left us. They're really antsy to make it to the spot they want to get to. And I get that, that's where we're supposed to camp, but we can also just camp, like literally anywhere.
Yeah.
Like, it's whatever.
We'll get as far as we can. It's not worth getting hurt on the way there.
There it is.
I'm trying to get over this. You're gonna have to push.
Path that Chris did, it worked good. I only had to push him in one spot. Anyway, you can put your foot down to the right. Jake, I'm not coming to come in there to get you. This way works. This sucks.
Go somewhere, because I mean, I'm probably gonna have to spray you to get out. You good?
Jake is just letting that thing eat. That's it. I got mud in my mouth.
The sit rep is that we have a handful more miles to go. I think like 8. It's going to be getting dark in about an hour. I mean, the thing is, Chris has really got his heart set on it, and it's a cool place. Like, he wants to, I know where he wants to camp out. I've seen it on the internet. So obviously it'd be imperative to get there sooner than later so we can start setting things up without it being completely dark out. I mean, my bike has got absurd lights. I've got those absurd O-light flashlights. You know, like, we can make it work. Me leg, mate, me. My left leg is just so cooked right now. I need to stand up, but it's oh, I just gotta do it for a minute. That was it. That was my minute. Short minute. I got nature. Jesus Christ, dude. Is there something you want to do? We can go through it from here. This is some sink mud. Like, I'm gonna get eaten by some crickadoos out here, man. Look, I didn't have that hard of a time just coming down it. I think he's got enough grip. The big thing with him is his air box. Hey, Chris. Wait, stand back a little bit. I'm gonna get you with him, like in the movies.
No, I'm not falling to the banana in the tailpipe. I don't know where I'm going from here.
I think you're just bushwhacking into it, then we gotta push that other tree out of your way a little bit. Just go, dude. Just go. Well, boys, it's definitely got darker than we wanted it to. I'm trying to die out here.
So we've done half of it. I mean, we got a little bit more push left in us, and then after that it's going to be all the same, so.
Okay. Well, Ian, how's camping going?
It's nighttime. We haven't made it to where we're supposed to go. Matt and Chris are somewhere back there. I think they're still alive. There's a lot of this already gone out.
It's incredibly steep, and it's just all of that going down and down and down. This is the, I think I need you to like maybe push me because I couldn't get up this. But I can't, like, see, I can't, you know what I'm saying? Just to keep spelunking, I get up by you.
Yeah. I'll stop and breathe for a minute, but I think I went along the left here.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Back over.
Okay.
Go up this on the right side. It doesn't look that bad.
No one can catch their breath. We're done, dude. I'm sleeping here. Forget the tent, hammock, and all the things. I'm gonna eat mud.
No lights from them back there.
Hey, yell, see what they're doing.
Hey, y'all still good?